Now, in front of all of you in pairs, there are props. Okay, some of you have got props, some of you have got photographs. And the question really is population. What have these got to do with population? Okay, so I'm not giving you any other clues than that, and I'm going to give you about a minute to discuss what's your prop got to do with population. Okay, what's it about? Just your prop. So yours is the photograph, yours house brick, yours rice. What's it got to do with population? You've got 1 minute, okay, to discuss it in your pairs. Go. A piece of wood or a bit of tree. Yeah? What do you think that's got to do with population? Bangladesh? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. What I want you to do then is in your pairs, one of you or two of you, depending on what you've got, I need someone to start me off. What's it got to do with population? What's the thing? Tell me what the thing is, and what's it got to do with population? Why do they need or want that particular thing? So we're going to start with you, Zoe.
It could be used for houses or firewood, where it's cold.
Well, it's cold. Good. Okay. Has anybody got a prop that might actually link in with the wood then? Right, girls, what prop have you got?
We've got coal, which could also be used for burning to keep the houses warm.
Okay, what else could you burn it for then?
Cooking.
Cooking? Brilliant. Has anybody else got something to do with transport or communication? Lovely boys. I think these boys have got another photograph. What's that?
We've got a train. It's like quite posh and modern.
Okay, so what would you need a train for?
Transporting people to like different places.
For?
Work.
For work, okay. So all of these things then, if I took that away, and I took that away, and I left you with not very much at all, took that away, and I took that away, and I might have taken the train and all the communications, and I just left you with this, okay, and you haven't got this, what's going to happen? What's going to happen?
Well, if you did grow crops, then they'd all dry out because they didn't have enough water.
Lovely. The first thing we need to do then is think about, well, what does a dense population mean and what does a sparse population mean? And I have two jars. Unfortunately, Mrs. Ward has a real good tasting for jelly babies and she's eaten half my population. Okay? So we've got one here, full, and one here, 1. Which do you think is the sparse and the dense then? Which do you think is the sparse and the dense? Alana.
The one that's only got one sweet N.
Is?
The sparse one.
The sparse one, lovely, the sparse one. Sometimes we use these terms to describe other things. You could say that my hair is dense because I've got lots of it. Okay, whilst Mr. Abbott's, as we know, is what? There we go.